Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today I'm reviewing the Spigen Rugged Armor for the Huawei P20 Pro. This is one of my favorite cases of all time across any device out there. I really love this case. Usual Spigen packaging in the black and the orange. I'll show you the back of it. There's nothing much there. I will leave links in the description below. Use those links because it's the cheapest I could find this case for. It'll help me grow the channel and it'll help you save a little bit of money. So that's the end of the advert. Let's have a look at the case. Inside, you got this stamp motif here, which is classic across most of Spigen's cases. You got the web pattern design as well, which helps with shock absorption in case you drop the device. You got air cushion technology in the corners, as you can see stamped on the inside. Now, the actual buttons themselves have got slots cut on top and below each one. It makes them very easy to press. It's a fairly thick TPU type case. The back of it's got the Spigen branding embossed into the actual TPU itself, so it's not going to come off. It's a matte finish texture, very smooth feeling. It's not slippery, but it's not super grippy either. So just bear that in mind, guys. You got your faux carbon fiber look on the top and bottom. So let's drop it on the actual phone itself so you can check it out. Very easy to get on and off, obviously. Now, let's have a quick look around here. The top, you got your cutouts for the mic and IR blaster. On the sides, you hear that? Very clicky buttons. Very easy to press. Nice amount of feedback. Perfect cutouts at the bottom for the speaker grill, mic grill, and charging port. Nothing along this side at all. And a nice big cutout for all three cameras and the flash at the back. And it's recessed enough so if you lay it on its back, it's not gonna scratch up your lenses. Lip protection. Now, this is one thing that is a little bit off-putting with this. It has got a nice bit of lip protection if you use the screen protector. Let me move this out of the way. If you use the screen protector that comes already applied to the phone. Now, I've got a full glass screen protector on here, and as you can see, it's lifted it up already on the corner just from putting it on. So if you're using a full coverage glass screen protector, this case will not work. It will lift up the screen protector. But if you're not going to use a full coverage one, then I highly recommend this case. For £9.99, it's a bargain. Good solid case, feels really nice in the hand. As I said, my only issue is this screen protector being lifted up, but other than that, if you don't mind that, beautiful case. Highly recommended. And it's not slippery. I know some of you are going to ask me, how is it slippery? Is it not slippery? And let me just clarify, the lip protection, you get a good few mils, but I have got a glass screen protector on here that has lifted up, so it's hard to show you on this video. But if I didn't have this, you get a good few millimeters of lip protection there. And the ports are nice and open there for anything you want to use. Your charging cables, headphones, the dongle, etc. Doesn't hamper any of the usability of the actual phone itself. So there you have it, guys. The Spigen Rugged Armor. Use the links in the description below, and definitely check this out as a possible one for yourselves. Next up, I will be reviewing this official car kit for the Huawei P20 Pro. I'll also be reviewing this very minimalist case for the Huawei P20 Pro and the glass screen protector. So hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this video on all your social media, and remember, hit the bell notification icon. This text is saying take care, see you soon, peace.